Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So here comes the unboxing of Asus Vivobook 14 with the model number of X412FA-EK268T. This is a thin and light laptop, and here you can see the unboxing in search of incredible. Here's the laptop and the manuals and also the charger cable inside, and nothing more you find on this box. So let's keep the box aside and let's move on to the device specs. Like, it has the Core i5 generation processor, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, Windows 10 Home, and the 14-inch laptop. This is of color transparent silver. You can also find the peacock blue, slate gray, and this comes with a just 1.5 kg weight. You can easily pick up with one hand. Is suitable for official use, and you can also do editing and gaming like GTA 5 and more. And this cannot be running this cannot run PUBG, but it runs, but you may face few or more lags on this device. Coming to the full specs or more specs about the device, and here it has 14-inch full HD display, 1080 pixels resolution, 87% screen to body ratio, anti-glare panel, HD 720p, ergo lift, and where you can easily lift the device, and there is some gap in between the device and the floor so that the heat air moves on. And this comes with the different type of ports. On the right side you can see micro SD card reader, USB 2.0, Kingston lock, and the left side HDMI port, USB 3.1 type A, USB 3.1 type C, and 3.5 mm combo head audio jack. And coming to the overall specs, where we can discuss now, this is the processor, 8th gen Intel Core i5-8265U processor, 14-inch anti-glare nano edge display, 8 GB DDR4 RAM, upgradable to 12 GB. Coming to the storage is SD, that is SSD 512 GB, light and thin laptop, that is 1.5 kg weight, full size backlight keyboard with 1.33 key travel and fingerprint reader. And here you can see Windows 7 operating system, that is of home edition. And coming to this charging, it can charge 60% in 49 minutes, and you can also use the touchpad with 4 fingers for gesture support, and this is a precision touchpad. And coming to the thinness of the device is 19.9 mm, and this comes with the ergo lift for you to improve your typing position whenever you type or search something on the web. And let's move on to the device like specifications or features. So this has the power supply of 45-watt AC adapter, and the battery cells are 2. And coming to the device, so it can run smooth internet and fastest internet because it has the SSD and 8 GB DDR4 RAM. And coming to the clock speed, it has 1.6 GHz. You can also turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, where the RAM is expandable up to 12 GB. This is good, and the RAM frequency is 2400 mAh, and the cache is 6 MB. This has a graphic processor as well, which is of Ultra HD 620 for editing, like normal softwares where you can use, and you don't find any lag. And here is the screen with the video which we are running is 1080p. You can see the how the device screen is with anti-glare effect. You don't find any blur or shades while recording the screen. And coming to the wireless LAN, it has IEEE 802.11 Bluetooth 4.2, and HD cam is available. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you hit the subscribe.